Why most YouTubers are broke and how to be the jewelry store. Let me explain. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. So YouTube is like the mall, and the question is, what kind of store are you? Are you the dollar store or the jewelry store? If you're trying to use YouTube to grow your business, this one mindset shift could change everything for you. I'm gonna be breaking down why your YouTube channel should be the jewelry store and not the bargain bin. All right, so picture this. You walk into the mall and you see all different kinds of stores. You see the electronics store, you see a bunch of clothing stores, and then around the corner, you see a luxury jewelry store. Now, not everyone is going to want to walk into the jewelry store. Not like a clothing store or an electronics store or even the dollar store. Everyone's going in the dollar store. But the ones that go into the jewelry store are the ones that are typically ready to make a purchase. They're the serious buyers. That's what YouTube is like. It's a massive digital mall, and your channel is the storefront. So you've got a couple options. You can be the dollar store where there's high traffic, everybody's coming in, the products are typically low value, and you've got to be hustling because in order to make $1,000, you got to sell 1,000 things at $1. Or you can be the high-end luxury jewelry store where you attract a couple of really good high-quality clients who are willing to pay $1,000, $5,000, $10,000. So your content determines who walks in. Let me say that again. Your content determines who walks in, meaning the type of content that you put out is who you're going to attract. If you are just putting whatever type of content, hoping to sell your product or service, you're going to attract the wrong kind of people, random people. People that are not interested in your stuff. Putting out strategic content attracts premium clients. That's exactly what we do on the Essetino Media YouTube channel. Every piece of content is strategic. Now for YouTube for Business, you don't want to just put up content for the sake of putting up content. You want to use your content to showcase your expertise or your products and services that you are trying to sell with your YouTube channel. And remember, don't stress over the views. You don't need 10,000 clicks or views or likes or comments. You need the right 10. Could you imagine if you have a video, and this happens all the time on our Essetino Media YouTube channel. We'll have a video, it has less than 100 views, but it attracts one really good client paying $10,000. And it happens all the time. In fact, we got 2 people who wanted both a 5K service that we offer. This is why for many years on our YouTube channel, I do YouTube for business. And I literally do not care how many subscribers or views we get on each video. That's just the cherry on top for me, the icing on the cake. That's how I look at subscribers and views. If I hit 100,000 subscribers, amazing, and I get the play button. But that's not my goal. My goal is to make money from my YouTube channel, and you don't need 100,000 subscribers to do so. In fact, we have lots of clients who have 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, but their channel is making nothing. Barely even $500 or $1,000 a month. You want to utilize your channel and use it as leverage for your business. And positioning yourself as the luxury jewelry store in the online digital mall is how you do it. If you found this video helpful, we have a YouTube authority checklist. It's totally free. You can head down to the description below. Let me know if this resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.